Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix sound or audio issues in NBA 2K26 game. So here follow the fixes. On your PC, click on Windows icon and then click on Settings icon. Click on System, Sound, Advanced and then click on More Sound Settings. Click your default device, example speakers, and select Properties. Now go to Spatial Sound tab and then from the drop down select Off option. Then hit Apply, OK. Now if Spatial Sound is already turned off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones. Now go to Enhancement tab and check mark Loudness Equalization and then click on Apply and then OK. Now launch NBA 2K26 game and check your sound or audio problem is fixed or not. Fix is to make sure your sound level in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the NBA 2K26 game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play. Now if you are using Bluetooth headphones, then here follow these steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth Devices, scroll to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Right click on your headphones and select Properties. Go to Services tab and check Hands-Free Telephony, Remote Control and Remotely Controllable Device. Now click Apply. Now launch the game and check if it solves your issue or not. Fourth solution is to set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. This is the last and the fifth solution. Disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by the additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone or additional controller, mouse, keyboard, etc. And then you can check if your sounds or audio problem is fixed or not. So by following these fixes, you can fix the sound or audio problem in NBA 2K26 game on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.